Hi there, I'm Peter Gorton, Master Chef of Great Britain and a consultant chef. And all week I've been cooking different dishes. It's the Easter weekend now, and I think I'm going to make a lovely dog biscuits because our furry friends get left out sometime. So this is the recipe, quick and easy. What you need first is peanut butter, but the most important thing you need to remember, it needs to be 100% peanuts. Peanut butter into a bowl, like this. This is such an easy recipe, and I've done this for my dogs a few times, and they absolutely love it. Right, once you put that in, you then put in your skimmed milk, like so. Get a whisk and give it a whisk. And whisk it really, really well. I'll just put that nice and tidy. There you go. Give it a good old whisk. Now this recipe will be on my Facebook page, Peter Gorton Consultancy. So when I finish the recipe, if you want to check that out, I'll put the recipe up for you. So if you come into here and have a little look, let me show you the texture. So at the moment, all we've got in there is the skimmed milk and we've got the peanut butter. I'm now adding wholemeal self-raising flour. And I'm putting that in as well. Take up my whisk. Now, for my dogs, I know they like a bit of bacon or they like a bit of ham. They don't have to put that in the recipe if you don't want to, but I like to put it in. So I've cooked off some bacon. I'm going to put that in for them. Gives them a little tickle on their tongue. Basically, you work that into a dough. It starts to come away from the sides of the bowl. There we have it. Right. That's the texture you're looking for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit off to show you quickly how to roll it. A little bit of flour on the board. Not too much. Down like that. Quickly roll it out. Get stuck in. A few things to remember. I phoned my vet before I did this recipe just to double check everything was okay, and it's always best to check with your vet. They gave me a few notes. Use a good quality peanut butter with 100% peanuts in it. Very important, as we said earlier. No artificial sweeteners. In fact, no added anything if you can. Keep it as natural as possible. Do not use if your animal has pancreatic problems either, but check with your vet. Right, okay, there you go. I've got some lovely Easter bunny cutters, which I'm going to do. So I'll 1, 2, press them down. There we have it. Right, let's put those onto a baking tray, which I'm going to do now. The kids will love to do this as well because they love to feed the pets afterwards. In an oven, 180 degrees, for about 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. Bring them out, cool them down before you give them to your dog. Job's a good one. Okay, here's some I prepared earlier for you. My bunny biscuits. And I'm going to try one because I've got to make sure good enough for me, then they're good enough for me dogs. Oh, they're going to love them. They're going to love them. So, remember, be safe and happy cooking. And come on outside with me in a second and I'll show you my dogs enjoying them. So the proof is in the testing. So Storm, Sky, happy Easter from me and the dogs.